Hey everyone, George here from Kapitol Group, part of the YVG team. I'm currently in Adelaide and I'm going to look at some of our feature ground level precasts, which we're getting done by Bianco Precast here in Adelaide. Bianco are known for doing some really cool stuff. Like for instance, in the waiting area for the Uber, they've done some really cool plinth column-y things. Don't know how to describe them, but these guys here, wouldn't mind getting the skateboard out and having a go on them. I'm videoing, so watch out. Here we go, Andrew. Say hello. That's Ola there. There we go. Set like a little selfie function thing. Hang on, wait for this. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
there you go.
Look at that, eh?
The outtakes. Yeah.
That's not on record.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I take it for waiting.
I'll put the camera down so there's no insider secrets getting out. You love talking about this machine. What's this machine, Andrew?
This is our 8-head. So this is essentially had its first wash, which we were just talking about, where we've stoned the edges, we give it the bulk etch. We now move to a patching process where we fill any air holes. Once that's done, we'll go through the process and do a final etch to get rid of any blotchiness. So the base is completed, it's been brought to our factory. We're currently fabricating panel 10, which is our third pour from this mould.
Ola from Innovis here, doing our inspection of one of our precast panels. Ola, what do you generally look at when you come out to a factory inspection like this?
Spacing is definitely something we check. Ligature size, bar size, these longitudinal bars, and
probably the
arrangements. And stuff.
Yeah, and arrangement. Awesome. All right, back in Melbourne. Massive thanks to everyone at Bianco for showing me around, and Ola from Innovis for coming out and taking a look at the panels. Really good progress for the project. We should see our first feature column in probably 2.5 weeks. So really excited to see it, and yeah, thanks again.